Hello students, today we will study about the Nernst equation. See, first we'll study the factors affecting electrode potential and Nernst equation for electrode potential. There are three factors which affect the electrode potential, and they are: the first one is the nature of the metal and its ion, taken the metal electrode and its ions. Second one, the concentration of the solution, and third is the temperature. Okay, so when the electrode assembly is not in standard condition, see, if the assembly it is in standard condition, that is temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, solution it is 1 molar, and if gas is used, then pressure it should be 1 atmosphere. If it is in standard condition, then it is all right, but if it is not in its standard condition, then its electrode potential cannot be obtained directly from the electrochemical series. Just by seeing the reduction potential values, we cannot calculate out the electrode potential. In that case, when the electrode potential is not in its standard condition, in such case Nernst equation is used. Okay, Nernst equation is E, it is equals to E naught minus R gas constant, T temperature, N number of electrons, and F Faraday constant. Log base E, it is equals to reduced state upon oxidized state. This is for reduction electrode, and if it would be for oxidation electrode, then it would be E oxidation, it is equals to E naught oxidation minus RT upon NF log base E oxidized state upon reduced state. Okay, see here, this E, it is reduction potential of the electrode assembly, the reduction potential of the whole electrode assembly. E naught is the standard reduction potential of the same electrode assembly. R is the gas constant, that is 8.314 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse. T is the temperature of the electrode assembly. N is the number of electrons which are lost or gained, because here we'll see redox reaction takes place and the number of electrons are lost or gained by the electrodes. And F is it is equals to 1 Faraday, that is 96500 coulombs. See, oxidized state and reduced state, it is given there. The concentration of the substance undergoing reduction, it is the oxidized state, and the concentration of the substance obtained on reduction, it is the reduced state. Okay, suppose we have taken the example where Mn plus is present, and this Mn plus, it is an ion, it is gaining the number of electrons and it is changing into metal solid. In that case, E Mn oblique M, this is nothing here. Okay, E Mn oblique M means reduction potential, it is equals to standard reduction potential minus RT upon NF log base E metal, that is solid, upon in aqueous solution. Okay, if we'll remove this E log base 10, then it will be multiplied by 2.303. So E Mn oblique M, it is equals to E naught Mn plus oblique M minus 2.303 RT upon NF log base 10, and since it is taken as 1, the metal 1 upon Mn plus aqueous. Okay, R, T and F, if we'll put these values, like T is equals to 298 Kelvin, R this is equals to 8.314, and F equals to 96500 coulombs, then this will become, nothing else will change, only this will change. It will become, see, this whole E naught Mn oblique M is equals to 0.059 upon N. Okay, means by multiplying 2.303 R, T and dividing it by F, we'll get 0.059 upon N, and N is the number of electrons lost or gained. Log based in 1 upon M N plus aqueous. Okay, now there are the two questions which you have to do. These I'll send you in WhatsApp. Now after that, EMF of a galvanic cell or cell potential. Okay, EMF of a galvanic cell. It is defined as the difference of electrical potential which causes the flow of current. Current flows from one electrode to the another electrode. So it is the difference between the electrical potentials. Both will not have the same electrical potential, then only the electrons will flow from one electrode to the another. So it is the difference between the electrode potential which causes the flow of current from one electrode to the other, when virtually no current is drawing from the cell. Okay. The cell in which oxidation takes place, we know that it is placed on the left hand side where the oxidation takes place, and it is anode. Okay. And the reduction at the right hand side where the reduction is taking place, right hand side, it is cathode. So E naught cell, it is calculated by the formula E naught R minus E naught L, right hand side minus left hand side, or E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Now see Nernst equation. Here we'll take the example of the Daniell cell, in which zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution and copper rod is dipped in copper sulfate solution, and this is the salt bridge. If we'll write the reduction potential values here, it is equals to E naught for copper, it is minus 0.059 upon 2 because copper, it is gaining 2 electrons. Okay, copper ion, they will gain 2 electrons, that's why it is 2 here. Log based in 1 upon Cu2 plus. For zinc, if we'll write, this is Z. For zinc, it will be E naught Zn2 plus oblique Zn minus 0.059 upon 2. Here again 2 because zinc will lose 2 electrons. That's why it is 2. Suppose it is 1 electron here. Suppose it would be 1 electron here and 2 electrons here. So we have to multiply this whole by 2 to make the number of electrons equal. Okay. Since here only 2 electrons, here 2 and here 2, in both the cases 2 electrons are participating, it is equals to log base 10 minus 1 upon Zn 2 plus. See, this is, here reduction is taking place, here oxidation is taking place. Okay, so if we'll calculate E of the cell, it will be equal to, see, E of the cell, it is equals to E right minus E left, means E cathode. This is cathode where reduction of copper is taking place, and this is anode. Okay, so we'll put the formula and we'll put the values here. E naught Cu2 plus oblique Cu minus 0.059 log base 10 Cu2 plus equals this one minus the value of zinc, this one. See, this minus this will do. Okay, then it will be E naught Cu2 plus oblique Cu minus E naught Zn 2 plus oblique Zn minus 0.059 upon 2 log base 10, it is common for both, and this is Zn 2 plus aqueous upon Cu2 plus aqueous, anode upon cathode. Okay, it is like that. If you here, because we have taken the example of Daniell cell only, that's why here we have written it like that only, like it is Zn 2 plus and Cu2 plus. Otherwise it is anode upon cathode. So we can write it like this also. E cell, it is equals to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon 2 log base 10 C1 upon C2. Now 2 more questions are there which are related to these formulas only, and this all I'll send you in WhatsApp. Thank you.